In this video, I will show you how to change your language on Windows. So first, click on Windows icon and click on the settings icon. Then click on this button and then click here. Now you will see the languages that you have. Bear in mind that the language in the top is a language by default. If you want to add another language, click on this button and then type the language you want. Then click on it, click next, and if you want to make it a default language, check this box and then click install. You will need to wait a few minutes to finish install, and then all you have to do is to sign out, and when you sign out, the language will change. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.